Hey everyone, want to export your Looker Studio reports as PDF files? In this video, I'll show you how to download and export Looker Studio reports step by step. Yeah, exporting reports as PDFs makes it easier to share dashboards, send updates to clients, or save important data insights for offline viewing. First, open your web browser and go to Looker Studio. Sign in with your Google account and open the report you want to export. Make sure your report is complete and all charts are displaying the correct information. Next, open the report menu at the top of the page. Looker Studio includes export options that allow you to save your dashboard in different formats. Now select the Download option from the menu. A Download Settings window will appear where you can choose how you want to export your report. Choose the PDF format option. This will convert your Looker Studio report into a document that can be easily shared or stored. Before downloading, review the available settings. You can select specific pages, adjust the page size, include a background, or choose other export preferences depending on your needs. After configuring the settings, click Download. Looker Studio will generate the PDF file and save it to your computer. Open the downloaded PDF file and review each page to make sure all charts, tables, and text appear correctly. So, checking the final file helps ensure your report looks professional before sharing it. If the PDF does not look correct, return to your report and adjust the layout, chart sizes, or page settings before exporting again. You can now share the PDF through email, cloud storage, or other platforms with teammates, clients, or stakeholders. And that's how you export Looker Studio reports as PDF files. With this simple process, you can save, share, and present your data reports in a professional format. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.